ultra wide look. Oh yeah, man. Hey, whoa. I'm going to be showing you what's inside the box, where you can get this mini motovlog setup for yourself cheaply, I might add. And of course, make sure you watch to the end to see my first motovlog ride on my Ninja 250 when I've set this up. Like the video and subscribe. Let's go into it. So let me say the truth. Let me come clean. I've honestly had this for a while, maybe about 2 months now since I got it in my country. But I've been wanting to shoot this video for a while. So I said, you know what? I'm not going to unbox this. I'm not going to take it apart and set it up until I shoot this video for you guys, so you can see what it's like to do a motovlog setup. All right. So I think first out of the, you know what? Fuck it. So first out of, yeah, everything is here. This is the chest strap. This is the one that goes on your shoulder and your chest, and the phone and everything comes here, right? Now this is also straightforward. This is what is going to hold the phone right here. So the dilemma now is making sure I can find a way, maybe in the manual or something, to make sure I can piece this all together. And then this is the last part. I kid you not, I have no idea what this is for. I just know that it goes somewhere here, perhaps. Now, this isn't part of the original uh, shipment, but this is going to help me record the delicious sound of my SC Project exhaust while I'm riding. So let's just say this is part of the equation as well. If I am successful, when I'm done, every single thing here should look like the picture right here. If it doesn't look like the picture right here, well, I guess we scatter it and start all over again. This is the chest and back strap. And I, when I first put this on, I was wondering, how am I going to wear this? This looks like something a child would wear, a toddler. But then I remember that it has a buckle over here. Yeah, so pretty straightforward, right? Every single thing is going to mount on top this. According to the diagram on the website, this goes here like this, right? Like kind of like this, right? Because this side holds the phone. So, okay, I'm going to start with this over here. Let's unscrew this and see what we can find. I was wrong about this. This doesn't go here, not possible, because this can't go all the way here. It's never going to touch here. So I think what's going to work is if I slot this into place here. Oh wow, wow, huh? We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. We're getting somewhere. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm not sure this is where this is supposed to be. Like I don't see the point. So according to the website, they said that this is supposed to this is supposed to help the phone not drop if it's hit. Like this is supposed to this is like some anti-drop protection. I don't get it. Like this actually goes around the phone. Like you strap these ends to the four corners of the phone. And when I did it, I was like, okay, I don't see how this does what you're saying is going to do. But so I think this is actually useless because some pictures on the website don't even put this in the complete setup. So trash. I have the final completed design for you guys here. Like I managed to actually piece this together. I'm so proud of myself. The next video you're going to see is of this phone I'm holding strapped to this chest mounted vlogging setup, and then we can finally take our first ride on the Ninja 250R. Looks good enough. So far, so good. So far, so good. How does the ultra wide look? Oh, yeah, man. Hey, whoa. So I have finished setting up my motor vlogging chest cam. As you can see, I've made it more sturdy, but I'm still going to work on the joining here because I feel like it should be able to it should be able to uh take impact if I enter a pothole or something, or I hit a rough terrain. So it's all good now. It's all set up now. You can see the difference. It's way better now. This is me leaning. Uh-huh. I think it's pretty sturdy right now, but I'll still screw it tighter. Next video you're seeing, I'm going out the door and I'm going to get my bike and we're going to head out. First ride on the Ninja 250R with my vlogging setup complete. Let's go there.